As we said earlier, Rivian's down sharply in the pre-market. Sources telling our David Faber that Ford is selling 8 million of its 102 million share stake in the EV maker as the insider lockup period for selling expires. David joins us on the phone. Broke this news over the weekend. David, not helping the mood around EVs today.
No, it was an odd thing, Carl. A Saturday offering. Can't say that I recall that very often, and I'm sure Jim also can agree that that's not something you typically see. But also the lockup expired yesterday, 6 months after the IPO. What was that IPO price, just for reference? $78, right, on the 9th of November. So you had it expire, and Ford was ready to go with 8 million. Now, that's only 8 of 102 million shares, but the fact that they were so willing to sort of hit a bid immediately on a Saturday was kind of odd. It's done, by the way. Those shares are being distributed, so they have sold 8 million, $26.90 a share. Yeah.
They were giving out between 8 and 10. You got your allocation.
Yeah. So you're unhappy this morning, Jim, with the stock trading below 24 as you're getting allocated. Now, there was J.P. Morgan also selling between 13 and 15 million. I am told they also got that done. I don't know who the seller was. I still haven't confirmed that, Jim. I don't know if you've heard. There are any number of large firms. Yeah, any number of large firms that obviously, we know a lot of the hedge funds that D1, for example, that have so many privates, don't have any idea about who the seller there was. But again, that Saturday offering, Jim, was awfully strange. I don't know if you ever saw that before in your career.
No, I've never seen that. I would tell you that Ford will be using the money for lithium, for nickel deals, and for battery JVs, which I think is, not desperate, obviously, but they did make, 150% on it. But, there was a hope, David, that could have been billions here, and maybe that can still happen. But when you look at this group, they're just pathetic. They're pathetic.
Do you have any sense as to Ford's future plans? I mean, they hit 8 million in the very first minute they can on a Saturday. Are they going to continue to sell more of what's left of that?
No, I mean, if anything, that was a cutback. That was a cutback of what they were going to sell. I mean, I think that they initially had higher hopes. Ford is big cash short, but they never really counted it as being something that they could use. But I do think that in the end, David, they have a lot of factory building to do. And, I just don't know. You need a lot more cash coming in.
Yeah, and as for Rivian, you guys know they've been hit by supply chain issues, obviously not being able to get hold of things they thought they would, brought their delivery targets down from certainly what had been anticipated when the company went public. It was one of the high flyers at one point, over $100 billion market value. Far, far, far below that now. But, Jim, there was an argument to be made that, maybe Ford is keeping 94 million. Maybe that's a good sign. Market doesn't seem to be seeing it that way this morning.
Exactly. Now, when I met with the Amazon sustainability people, that Rivian's going to produce 100,000 trucks, and they were going to buy all 100,000. Obviously, because of the supply chain, that didn't happen. But, David, there's a lot of pie in the sky. I don't know if you see the Lucid numbers. Lucid's saying there's huge reservations, but the number of deliveries not so great. And I think that in the case of Ford, they just wanted to get a little cash in just to be able to kind of make people more interested maybe in Rivian itself. That it got cheap to somebody.
Yeah. Well, as you point out, Ford's still up nicely. Just nowhere near the numbers that conceivably, if the stock had stayed there for 6 months from its early days, they would have been able to see in terms of a return, which you obviously urged them to do as soon as they possibly could. But 6 months
and they were locked in. Yeah, when it went to 120, I know they were itching to do it.